Fans have been anticipating the debut of the Canon EOS R5 II for almost 3 years, when the first EOS R5 was introduced. Fortunately, current rumors indicate that the replacement might make an appearance later this year. We also have some fresh information about impending Canon items in our possession. The Canon EOS R5 II and Canon in general will be discussed along with all the most recent news in this video. As per the latest speculations, it's rumored that the Canon R5 II camera is already in the possession of selected photographers and is expected to be released in the fourth quarter of 2023. This implies that the camera will cater to the needs of a wide range of users. Consequently, the Canon R5 II camera is anticipated to be announced before the Canon R1 flagship camera, which is scheduled to be launched before the 2024 Olympics. Speaking about the R1, recent rumors suggest that it will feature a 7 million pixel electronic viewfinder with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It's intriguing to observe how Canon will enhance the resolution of the electronic viewfinder while improving the 3D autofocus in their upcoming Canon R1 camera. It's also important to note that this information should not be considered entirely reliable, but rumors that continue for a longer period often hold a strong possibility of appearing sooner or later. So, it's obvious that we're going to see the successor of EOS R5 very soon. In case you missed it, let's summarize the anticipated features of the R5 II. According to the recent information from Canon rumors, Canon is potentially planning to unveil 2 different successors that a current Canon R5 camera. One of these successors is likely to maintain a 45 megapixel sensor, similar to the current model, while the other variant may come with a higher resolution sensor. This approach of offering different sensor options resembles the strategy seen in the EOS 5D series. As mentioned earlier, the R5 II is expected to bring significant advancements in terms of features, capabilities, and performance for Canon cameras. One notable upgrade is the inclusion of a new 61 megapixel full-frame CMOS BSI sensor, surpassing the quality of the sensor found in the original R5 model. With the powerful Digic-X processor, users will have the ability to internally record 8K RAW footage at 60 frames per second and capture 4K footage at both 60 and 120 frames per second. Additionally, the price of the R5 II is estimated to be around $4,000. In other news, Canon has recently filed a patent for a more compact and energy-efficient autofocus motor. The patent describes a linear motor, as opposed to the existing ring-type USM motor used in Canon DSLR cameras, and the nano USM motor using mirrorless cameras. These current motors operate based on ultrasonic waves, while the newly proposed motor would introduce a different mechanism for driving Canon lenses. This invention aims to enhance power efficiency without particularly increasing the overall size of the motor, lens barrel, and driving device. And now let's end the video with another piece of positive news. Canon has recently achieved significant milestones in its production. In March, the company reached the remarkable milestone of manufacturing a cumulative total of 110 million EOS series interchangeable lens cameras. Additionally, in May, Canon celebrated another milestone by producing a cumulative total of 160 million RF EF series interchangeable lenses. The 110 million EOS series camera was the EOS R6 II, released in December 2022, while the 160 million interchangeable lens was the RF 100mm f2.8 liters macro, is released in July 2021. These achievements reflect Canon's ongoing success and prominence in the camera industry. So what do you think? Are you excited about the upcoming Canon EOS R5 II? Share your thoughts in the comments, as we'd love to hear from you. Also, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.